I got 4 to the head.
Peeky, peeky. They just popped smoke. They're probably gonna move. Watch out. The guy, chemical totes. Left hand side.
Yeah.
If I get him to look at me, can you guys shoot him?
I'm low on gas, but he might be able to get him. Get him?
No, but I got him pinned. He's behind that single tote.
Sorry, we had to reload him. I'm just glad this grenade didn't go off when I ate shit.
Thanks, Ben!
Get him?
Yeah.
Nice.
That smoke's out.
They're behind the shack?
At least a couple. Right hand side, maybe?
I don't want to hit the judge or the ref.
You can hit him if they, or just tell him to move.
Well, it's a grenade.
What? Oh, it's a grenade. Okay. What do you?
Yep, there's now definitely someone there.
Where?
Tires stacked.
Tires?
Can't throw that far.
Left side, he peeks, he's walking past. Perfectly polished by the bunkhouse.
The guy behind the spools too.
Yeah.
I gotta stretch my leg. I'm directly behind the tent that you're looking over. Up near the white canvas against the netting. Pretty close to that. Yeah.
Tires again.
God, that ref has just a proclivity to get right in the way.
Right?
I mean, like,
I think he might be the one person when I came here walked right in front of my barrel of the SUV. Got him?
Bazinga.